Hello once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Code with Imita. Yeah, today I want to do with you guys what we call table format. Okay, so there are instances whereby you should print a certain receipt. You should print in anything that is in a table format. You should be able to do that, especially as a beginner level programmer. Okay, perfect. So it has to do with 2D arrays and as well as wild. Okay, let me just say single arrays. Okay, cool. So I want us to use this. Okay, let me just I want us to print something like this. If you can take a look at this. Okay, I want us to print okay, not exactly, because there's no need for us to do the calculations and other stuff. I'm just focusing on, I can even take this part from gross profit until from here until gross profit. We'll see. But otherwise, I want us to print this table format using Java programming language. Okay, perfect. Let's get to it. So the first thing I want us to know is that we can make them strings. There's really no need to, sorry, yes is equal to, okay, so what years were those? It's 2014, 2015, 2016, and 2017. Perfect. 2014, 2015, 2016. So you can also make these integers, so it's just a matter of choice. Perfect. So we'll first create, okay, this is an array. I want you to know that this over here is an array, and these guys over here are also a what? An array. Okay, everything here is an array. So I want us to just take from sales and COGS. Let me just maximize. I want us to take sales, COGS, and gross profit and leave this part. Okay, perfect. So it's sales, COGS, and gross profit. Let's deal with those. We'll create another. Um, so let me just say this is raws. So it's sales, COGS, COGS, and is it gross profit? Yeah, gross profit. Okay, perfect. So we have those. Then last but not least, we should have our 2D array. And let's just say this is sales. Oh, sorry, I should make this a comma. how many columns, sorry, how many rows are they? Let's just check. So it's 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4. Okay, perfect. 1 2 3. So we have 3 rows, which is 1 2 3 and 4 columns. 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's just do that. Okay, here I can just place any values just not to waste time. Okay, that's perfect. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we can just do this. Okay, here is our 2D array. So okay, so when it comes to 2D arrays, I want us to know that we always should have what? We always should have a nested for loop. But I want us to print. Okay, wait. Let me remember how it looks. I want us to print the years first before we can go further. Let us print the years first. Oh, come on. Yeah, let us try printing the years first. Um, so this will be less than years dot, sorry, dot length. Okay, more than perfect. Incrementation. Okay, so let us print the years. Okay, I think that's okay for now. We will make it to align with the others later. Okay, so now we will have to make our nested loop, for loop. Now let me change this to y, just so that I don't complicate things. So okay, here, okay, I want us to understand something. For the outer for loop, ne, our our condition y should be less than the number of the rows we have. How many rows do we have here? It's 3 rows. So our outer loop, the condition should be your variable, your counter variable, loop counter variable should be less than the number of rows of your two-dimensional array. Perfect. Then we have 4 columns, which is 1 2 3 and 4. 4 columns. Let's hope I am correct. Perfect. Okay, so now I want us to deal with the what, with the display. So um we'll have to say this. Okay, note this. Oh, sorry. Note this. Inside the inner for loop, we don't print line, we just say print. Okay, perfect. We just say print sales. You start with y, which is the rows, and the second one is z, which is what, the columns. Perfect. Then here yeah, you can just leave it like that. I'll explain what later what it does. Here we should have the rows. Here we should have the rows, and I think it should also, I think it should also, I think it should also be what you call this, I think it should also be print, not print line. Okay, so here what are we displaying? We are displaying those gross profits and other stuff, and at gross profit 1 2 3, so yeah, y is perfect. Okay, that's perfect. So hopefully this won't give us any error. I just want to see our progress. Okay, so 24, okay, wait, there are a lot of logical errors. Let's just remove this. Okay, so there's a very important thing here that we should note. You should be familiar with this as a programmer, the slash tab. It's basically there for creating space. It's basically there for creating space. Let's just create another one here, and one in front. Oh, sorry. Slash T. Okay, it's coming along. So 2014 and those guys. Okay, let's also do this. So it's basically you, because it's not like you'll always get it on the first run, okay, on the first attempt. You should always, okay, cool. What I like now is that the years, they have a space here, so we should just take sales. You see sales, and sales should be there, and you get what I'm saying. Sales should be there where COGS is, then it's going to go down. Gross profit is also going to move below. Yeah, then I believe that's all. So let's just try to do that. I think you should say print line here. Let's see. Okay, how did it? Okay, sales. Where is sales from? Sales is from that. Oh, we are leaving out a very important thing. There's a very important thing I am leaving out. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. That's a mistake. Okay, perfect. Then let's try running this and see. Perfect. So now it's a matter of, as you can see, 2014, 2015, they are all aligned. The only reason that these are not aligned is because gross profit takes more space than sales, and COGC takes space. If you get what I'm saying, then yeah, you should just play around that. Okay, let's just play around it real quick and see if it will work. Okay, gross profit. How will I make it align? Okay, let's see. Let's add another slash T over here. Okay, let's add another slash T over here then. Okay, so you see now, the last row is still being pushed away. So what I can suggest for us to do in order for this to be aligned? Okay, let's see. Okay, since I want us to do this, I want us to do this because if I could, you know, think how I should make them align, I could take I don't know 5 minutes because it's a bit tricky. It's a bit tricky. Yeah, so I strongly suggest, of course, during an exam, you should just, find a way and think. But I strongly suggest that we say GP, okay? Then, yeah, I don't know, check this out, check this out, check this out. By saying GP, we will then, I don't know, maybe outside or inside or wherever, specify what GP is. For instance, look, we can just come, okay, sorry, we can just come here and say GP stands for gross profit. So do not do this during an exam. Definitely do not do this during an exam. The reason I'm not doing it is because it's a bit tricky. If I can try doing it, yeah, I'll take time. Yeah, so that's what's up. They are all aligned, and let's see if it came out the same way. You see, as you can see, so it's just, let's ignore the coloring. So that's where our years are, and that's where our sales and other stuff are, and here are the values. Ignore the values I chose. I decided to create my own values. Okay, perfecto. So that's what's up. Yeah, that's what's up. That's how we do it. And yeah, that's how you print using a table format. I believe we are done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, see you next time.